stress can be thought of as a mismatch between our internal resources, like our mental and physical energy, and the demands that an external situation or event places on us. For example, we might feel very stressed during a busy time at work, or if we have a medical appointment coming up that we're worried about. But stress is a normal part of life. We all experience stress, and sometimes it can even be a good thing. You can think of stress like blood pressure. We all have blood pressure, but if it gets too high, it's time to do something about it, and it's the same with stress. So why is it so important to keep an eye on stress in our lives? Well, it's because it makes everything else a bit harder. When we're under a lot of stress, we can feel more distracted, find it harder to focus, harder to communicate with others. We can struggle to tackle tasks in our lives. Sometimes we might feel unwell with stress. And importantly, it can also make it more difficult to stay on track with things that are important for our health that we do from day to day. Things like making time for family and friends, getting to our exercise class or out for our walk, cooking healthy meals. But stress management describes the practice of understanding sources of stress in our lives and the strategies that we can use to manage stress differently so that it has less of a negative impact. We can't always remove stress from our lives. And remember, some stress is totally normal, but we can work on the ways that we respond to stress. So practices like mindfulness can help us to work on our responses to stress, and things like getting plenty of exercise or sharing our worries with friends can help us to deal with the difficult emotions that can come with stress. If you'd like to find out more about stress and managing stress, you can visit the stress management resources on our website, cree.ie, or you can find out about the HSE Stress Control Programme by visiting stresscontrol.ie. Thank you.